I chased after a dream. It all seemed so simple, but get close to a star and you can't see it twinkle. Some dreams are you wanting, but not doing or making. The feeling is haunting, but remember, when waking, chase the dream in real life. Don't go back to sleep. The dream's like a nightlight. It's only there to help you see, or for when you have to pee. I chase the dream like a ship lost at sea. Should I chase the thing in my dream? The thing that is me. I chase the dream like they say you're supposed to. But chase the thing in the dream that your heart wants to show you.